You should understand that MBBS is not a sprint, it's a marathon, it's a long journey. Solving question bank, it is very crucial. The best time to give GT was yesterday and second best is today. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes a sacrifice. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Naisargi Ankur Rawal. I have secured All India rank 4 in recently conducted NEET PG examination. I have done my MBBS from Baroda Medical College and I am from 2018 batch. This video I want to talk about my journey and my suggestions to future NEET PG aspirants. So my approach to first and second year was to read standard textbook and reading on the daily basis. I have also watched GRG sir video for pharma and Sparsh sir video for pathology. So I would suggest that you should read textbook but always supplement textbook with watching main videos from either subjects that you are in the professional year. So approach to MCQs in the first and second year would be you should do MCQs on the respective prof subjects. Like if you are reading pharma, you should do MCQ on the pharma subject because you know whatever you have learned is applied correctly on the MCQ basis. And regarding the fun activity, that you should understand that MBBS is not a sprint, it's a marathon, it's a long journey. Though studying will be I agree it's a major part, but it should always supplement with a fun activity, so make the journey more reliable or more enjoyable rather than just studying. So one should start preparing for entrance examination in the second year itself because our clinics would get started by the time we reach in the second year. So simultaneously reading for the second year subjects, we should always go for a higher subjects and preparing for the entrance examination. So my suggestion of third prof student would be firstly complete the third prof subjects and then you should go for final year subject. You can always mix with a short subject and do with a major subjects. Like major subject, you should try to complete major subject, but if not all, you can go for a system wise approach or a half subject. I remember I watched a Praveen sir lecture in between my prelim and university examination in just span of 5 days. Third prof, you should be doing MCQ as much as you can, and as many subjects that you have covered, you should always test your knowledge by solving MCQs. So as many MCQs as you do, it would be always better. So my approach to final prof was to complete the remaining subjects that I have left in my third first by watching main videos. And about GT, so I have given GT at the very early preparation of my third year. So it would be advisable if you do in the final year itself and give in a periodic manner. Solving question bank, again, it is very crucial. So you should solve question bank and you should always balance your entrance preparation and prof preparation when it comes to the final year, because final year subjects are very crucial and you cannot miss out on reading final year textbooks. So you should read final year textbooks. Along with that, you should continue with your revision strategy as well. So my internship was moderate to heavy at my place. So I used to modify my revision strategy in such way that if I am having the 12 hours duty or emergency duty, I would do custom module during the duty hours, or I would give GT on the day before of my heavy duty so that I can review the GT questions during my duties. And the best time to give GT was yesterday and second best is today. So as you should start giving GT, and GT analysis is very crucial part because if you don't review your GT, there's no point of giving GT. In my internship, what I did was I just revised my notes which I made in my prof years. So I used to revise that notes, give GT, supplement with questions, and that's how I complete my any subject. So my suggestions for those who are preparing for entrance examination is just trust yourself, trust your process and trust your resources. And believe that everything will fall into place, and whatever hard work that you are doing will surely pay off. So I still remember the line from Apurva sir that if you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes a sacrifice. So always have your aim in your mind and just working hard. And starting early in my case is very helpful to me. If you start early, you can always get an extra edge over others. So everyone has a tough phase in their preparation journey. Everyone's scores get stuck at some point. Everyone has a doubt that if I'm not able to do, what will I do? What will be my future? So just trust yourself and give away from these negative thoughts, and surround yourself with positive vibes and environment, and you will be go through this journey. And all the very best.